This is sniper trade of the day for August 11th, 2026 in the double leveraged ETF for Google, GGLL. The black box is the previous day's range, the high and the low. These are 10-minute bars. At 2, we have the last 30 minutes of the day from yesterday. At 3, we have the gap opening. At 4, the green box is the opening range 10. At 5, we take the entry breakout of the OR10 to the downside. At 6, you see the standard risk box that we use based on statistics and math. It resumes its fail underneath the VWAP. We had a second position at 7 because why not? It's failing. 8 failed again, 9 failed again, so we've got 4 positions in, managing that pretty closely. And we're going to cover before the end of the day at 10 to lock in a gain on a 4-position trade. The difference between the close at 10 and the VWAP at 11 suggests that that was a leverage sell-off there, and a rebound tomorrow back to fair value would not be surprising. So there's no reason to put the dollars at risk that we earn during the day when we have some element of choice. Why would you put that at risk for overnight gaps? So that's the sniper trade of the day for August 11th, 2026. Keep your